I'm back with another one. And tonight, man, we got this scat right here. He's going up against 5-0. I gotta talk to the owner real quick and see what's all done to the scat. He's on his tire. It looks full weight. Whatnot, can't see. So, yeah, man. Got the Hoosiers in the back and whatnot. So I gotta talk, like I said, I gotta talk to him and see what's all done. I know he's going 145 with a Mustang. Mustang's 10-speed. Intake and headers E, I believe. So we'll see, man. We'll see how this one goes. It's a little low dollar, $350. So each side. So yeah, man, we gonna get into it. Let's go check the Mustang out. Alrighty, y'all. So the scat is headers E, intake. Dang, I just forgot. I think that's all he said. But yeah, man. So going up against, like I said, the 5-0. We'll cut to that. I just had to put that part in there real quick. Alrighty, y'all. So we got the Mustang here, man. He's full bolt-on E, so he was a little bit more than what I had originally said, man. He's fully gutted. I mean, not fully gutted. He's full weight too. He got both seats in. So full interior. Look, he already got the GoPro facing backwards, man. Crazy. But yeah, man. So like I said, they locked it in for 700, 40, 145.
If you break your bank? Yeah. 40 to 145, right?
You don't want to do 140?
You should agree on that. Yeah. And they're leaving too for the other race? Okay.
Hop on live.
You want to wait for them to get done?
No, next.
Whatever.
I call next on both. Hey, I'll go live.
And then, or should we go up? Because they're gonna go down. We could go up, right?
Now, if you go up, it gets too hot.
Yeah, we should go that way.
Wherever they're going, you gotta follow them.
I think it should be right after we pass the 15. You know how this is that dip? Maybe right after that. You want to count?
You want to count?
Whatever.
1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, go. Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, you jump or what? Jump is.
No.
You lose.
Just jump, just line up again.
You do it.
Yeah,
Alright.
you do it.
You want for them to come back, or you want to go now?
If a car goes in front of us, let off.
Yeah, let off
again.
and we redo. Yeah.
Do you want to go now? Or after the race?
Not after they come back.
When they come back?
Yeah,
Alright, cool. Sounds good.
Off traffic.
Yeah.
What's the deal? Alright, cool.
So we got the scat heading out right now, man. The scat. So I'm not gonna go out with this one. And then the Mustangs over here. Not this one right here, but the one backing out. Yes, sir. So yeah, man, let's cut to it.
Yeah, I think that was it right there.
Oh, that's
no, we're going.
Oh, yeah, that's when we got off. Yeah. A little bit after that. Fucking car could be in front.
There was so many cars, bro. It was sketchy as fuck too.
Is that one lit, bro?
Look, I was redlining that shit hard, bro.
What happened?
So when the cars got in front of us?
Look, no car. That's a good one right there. There's no car.
Yeah, there was a car.
Because if there was a car in front of you, I would have passed them. See, look, no car, bro.
Yeah, there was a truck.
See, right there, that was way at the end. That right there was over already. Because I went around that car.
No, bro, but I couldn't keep on going. I stopped because I was going really fast.
Come on, bro.
I was already going fast.
You can tell how far behind you
I'm
are.
not gonna smack into a truck.
Well, you're not, because after I went around that car, there's no way you're gonna smack into him. The race was over already.
Though. You don't have the mile per hour on this?
Yeah.
Can you put it on?
You said after 120, there's no car after 100. You said it's a race.
Yeah, but we said if there's a car in front of us.
But there wasn't in front of you.
Yeah, it was. You said if a car gets in front of us.
When they got in front of us, I told you, hey, there's a car that's
pretty bad.
Yeah, I got him bad, bro. It's like, I mean, it's not even a close race.
No, but like I stopped though.
Nah.
And I was pulling on you.
You're pulling on me. You can't even see on the camera.
You just pulled on him on the hit.
Yeah, on the hit, you pulled on me.
You pulled on. You got him at like half a car. But after that, he passed you. And he took you. And I was.
Like, if it was close, I'd be cool. You know, it's a close race.
I'm a slow ass car, but I had it on slow mode and I tried to stay between both of you guys. And there was nothing but in front of you guys. I'm being tough.
That was the truck, bro. Like I lit off.
There's no truck. There's a video.
There was the truck.
At the end, like way at the end. That didn't affect the race for them.
That shit died. What you mean? That took forever.
It didn't affect the race. You could tell. Even your homies like. You can tell, right? Yeah. It's a race, bro. Come on.
Trying to run it. You were saying you was trying to run it back?
We ran it back like 3 times because there was cars.
Oh,
and the last one there was no car. Yeah.
Bro, I couldn't keep on going. I'm not gonna smoke the truck. Like I told you.
But the race was over, bro.
It was
at the end.
It wasn't over. You don't have the mile per hour?
Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
This is why I don't do roads. This is why I told you right here. There's no way you're gonna catch me, bro. If you're on the camera, I would have told you to rerun it. But there's no way you're gonna catch me.
Bro, it was like that, bro. I was like right behind you, bro.
What about your GoPro? Where's your GoPro?
It's done.
I even stopped like at 1:30. I stopped. I was like, there's no way he's catching up. That's a good video. Watch.
It's dead?
Yeah, look, 132. And you're way back there, bro. Check it out.
Off though.
What do you mean you let off? Look, check it out. Look how far behind you are. No cars in front at all.
You can't see the cars, bro.
There's no, look, I'm playing it again. Look, 132. Check that out. You're not wearing my mirrors. You're not wearing my. There's no cars.
There's no car. The truck is right there, bro.
There's no cars, bro. There's no cars. That's why I did a low. That's the same reason I did a low dollar race, bro. Because I don't like arguments.
Look, wait.
You say you're pulling on me. Where? Look, you're like 3 cars behind. 2 cars at least. Look.
I let off, bro. Like.
Come on, bro. Look, 133.
You let off at 130 because the truck is right there.
How did I let off at 130? Come on, bro.
Rerun it.
I'll give payment. I'll give you the rerun. Yeah.
Rerun it.
That's fine. Payment. I'll give you the rerun.
Rerun it, bro.
Well, that's why payment. I'll give you the rerun.
I'm not gonna pay you, bro. We said if there's a truck or there's a car in front of us, we're gonna.
There's
like,
no
line it
car,
up
bro.
again.
I showed
The
you
truck was
videos.
right there.
Weird.
Bro, the truck was right there. I lit off. When I seen the truck, okay, listen. Let's say the truck was like from right here to Dutch Bros. I lit off, bro. I'm not gonna smirk into a truck.
no.
That was a 150, bro.
If it was like from here to Dutch Bros, you would have seen it on the camera.
Bro, I'm not
You
gonna
didn't even
let
catch
off.
it on camera.
I'm not gonna let off. I'm not let off, bro. I'm not gonna hit into a truck, bro. Like,
So would you let off after 130?
no. I was
After what?
115, 130. I mean 115, 120.
So how did I get a 130?
Bro,
And you're not even on the camera site.
Bro, there's no car in front of you. You're gonna keep on going.
Did you see a car on the side of me at least? Did I
Bro,
pass a car?
okay, the truck is in my lane.
Okay.
There's no car in
If
front of you.
how fast is the truck going?
Like 90, maybe 80.
Okay, so how come you didn't see? You didn't come out of the camera when I passed it? If you said
Bro,
it was a car.
it came out in the video.
At the end?
Bro, it came out in the video.
At
You
the
didn't
end,
go to
then.
140.
Where do you think your homie didn't even come back for the side bet? Oh, there he is. It's a race, bro. There's no way you're gonna catch me.
No, bro.
There's no way.
No, bro, I lit off.
So you're gonna say after 7 miles per hour you would catch me? I was at 133.
I was pulling up on you, bro.
Was he on the camera, bro?
Okay, I lit off. I lit off.
Yeah, I'm just a YouTuber, bro.
I lit off, bro.
You don't want to pay?
Bro, I'm Lucho.
Show him, bro. Show
I'm
him.
not
Yeah, show him, bro. Show him. That's how I don't roll, bro. Here it is.
What was it? What was it to again?
To 140.
40 to 140? 145, I thought.
Yeah, 145, yeah. Yeah, he said he was pulling on me. You tell me if he's pulling on me.
Where are you at?
I lit off because of the truck.
He said there's a truck in front of him. Do you see a truck anywhere? He says he's pulling on me too. Do you see a truck?
Where's your GoPro at?
Shit, died. Do you see a truck in front of him? Okay, 134, bro. Look, he was nowhere in my. Look, there's a truck at the end of the race.
Yeah, bro, but I lit off though because of the truck.
I mean, this is a neutral side. You didn't finish. And
134, bro. 134. He was nowhere in my
was that in
mirrors.
the rules if over 100 is a race?
Yeah, over 100 is a race, yep.
That was in the rules?
Yes.
You lost, bro.
Yeah, so I'm telling you, that's his.
Oh, my bad.
I'm telling you, bro, we could rerun it. Pay me to rerun it. I have no problem.
Just get somebody that blocks your side too.
Yeah, because it was fucked, man. Everybody was on my side.
I mean, honestly, when we first got on, y'all had hella rules.
Yeah, that's
bro.
why we reran it, because there was cars.
What the fuck? Man,
Thank you. Good shit,
all right, bro. Now y'all
Good
straight.
shit, yeah. Good shit. Hey, let me know if you want to rerun it. We'll do
Yeah,
it.
we're rerunning, bro. Because
All right.
I feel like it was unfair on my end because there was a car in front of me. I'm not gonna smack into a car over 350. You know, my life matters. No
Yeah, well, yeah. And then, fuck, bro, look, let me show you.
Yeah, I mean, the rules are the rules. You know, like.
Check it out. I would have run it right now. Look at all the lights came on my dash. All the ABS fucking lights came on. Look. So I was like, what the fuck? All the ABS.
Oh yeah, we're trying.
Yeah, let me know.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
All right, bro.